Caution on the back straight up to that first double. Can they sort it out? Wow. You ever played pinball with 8-pound balls? Okay. Brian out front right now. I believe that's Casey in the 2. Under pressure from MARSHON, CURT, and Charles. Charles getting a little lost there. GPS sent him down the wrong street. Big save from MARSHON there in the air. I think that's CURT upside down, going to lose some time. A little bit of carnage ahead of him. Maybe he'll gain it right back. Brian out front in that, oh gosh, I can't remember the name. I know the paint scheme. I know what it's supposed to be. Can't come up with the name. Some kind of Toyota truck racing thing, right? Something like that. But anyway, Brian leading the neck Kyosho there, going down the back straight through the doubles. Casey Kelly in the green and pink with black wheels. Just a couple seconds back from him in that second bump spot. Then a little gap to Chen in third. So Chen moving up to the 3 on this lap. MARSHON going to go to the 4. MARSHON coming right up on Chen now. Maybe he can get it back. There's a tire going for a tumble. Charles trying to make some progress right now, but that's not really how D-mains work. It either happens for you or it doesn't. So Brian D still leading the way in this one, heading through the Harvey loops. Casey Kelly in that 2 spot, a couple seconds back. And a few seconds back to MARSHON in the 3. A couple seconds back to Chen in the 4. A couple seconds back to CURT in the 5. A couple seconds back to Dewey in the 6. Dewey bumped into this one. And up to 6th. And it's Mac in the 7 spot. Charles closing in. Never mind. Dennis going to go to the 8 now. And Charles, Blaze, King, and CJ. Chen going for a tumble. Lands on his wheels facing the right way, but he'll still lose a couple spots. So he'll move CURT up to the 4 spot with 45 seconds left to go. And now Brian and Casey have their destiny in their own hands. They're getting pretty close together, but they have about 5 or 6 seconds on MARSHON. So as long as they don't take each other out, they should be all right. Drivers, that was the tone, and you racing the line. Tim, you are done. Everybody else racing the line. Brian and Casey just have to get it there. Plenty of cushion over MARSHON and CURT. Brian going to take the win. Casey going to take second. Those are going to be your 2 bumps here out of the intermediate D main. Looks like CURT going to take away 3rd place on the last lap here, and he'll just hold it over MARSHON. Stewie going to come across for 5th, not bad after starting 13th. Oh, Chen upside down. Will he lose some spots here at the, it's not Chen, just saw Techno Chassis, and I assume Chen. Chen's done with a 6. Rosario 7, Messner 8, Brew 9,
all drivers are finished.
10, Hippensteel 11, and Lloyd 12.
The race is completed.
Everybody's done. That is